how do I add GPUs into my environment? That's what we're really going to be looking at. So I've got something for everybody today. If you've got this in your environment right now, how can you actually utilize it so that you can start advancing into this AI, this GPU market, this arena? So one of the things that we kind of promote here is sustainability. So we don't really want people just disregarding hardware simply because it feels like it could be obsolete. There's lots and lots of ways that you can actually utilize these type of products to still get that advancement, especially if you're looking to kind of maybe dip your toe in the water a little bit, just trying to see, right, how am I going to offer this environment to my customers? So one of the things that we can do here is we can upgrade these products. Now, last year we talked about NVMe, we talked about being NVMe capable. This year we're going to talk about being GPUs capable. So what it means is that just because a product says it's GPU capable, doesn't necessarily mean that you can literally buy a GPU and install it. There are a few things we're going to need to consider. So we're going to have to look at the risers, the fans, the power supplies, the cabling. You know, what I don't want anyone to do is be disappointed and kind of step in and buy something and then go, oh, this doesn't really work. So this is something that we can help you with. We can guide you and just give you that information on how to upgrade your existing software. So if you're at the entry level point, this is going to be something that's really, really good for you.